Welcome to Spotless.
Hey guys, so I don't know about you, but for some reason it seems like no matter how much I wash my baking sheets, they still are incredibly gross.
Luckily, I just discovered a cleaning hack that will actually get them clean.
So if you want to give it a try, just grab some baking soda and some hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to walk you through the steps.
So the first thing you want to grab is some baking soda. And you're just going to sprinkle it pretty liberally all over the baking sheet, making sure that all of the stains are fully covered. Next, we're going to grab some hydrogen peroxide. Now, if you have a spray top, you're going to want to put that on so you can just spritz the hydrogen peroxide all over the baking soda. Now, we're going to top this off with even more baking soda. Just sprinkle it all on. Don't be shy about it. Okay, cool. We're almost done. I'm just gonna give it one more spritz with the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so I think we're good to go. Now we just need some patience because you wanna let this sit for at least 4 hours, up to overnight, and just let this mixture work its magic. So I'll see you guys in 4 hours. So now I've waited 4 hours. Actually, it's been more like 6 hours. And I'm ready to start scrubbing. Basically, if your sheet pans were just mildly dirty before, you can probably just take a soft sponge and wipe away all of the dirt and grime. But because I had really dirty sheet pans with some really tough stains, this is honestly gonna take some elbow grease. Like a lot of elbow grease. But if you just keep at it for a few minutes, it will start to remove most of the stains and stuck on grime. Now, you wanna use a scrubby sponge and keep a bowl of water nearby so you can dip it in case you need to wet any of the baking soda. I'm not gonna lie to you, this does take a little bit of work. But do you see that? Some of the stains are starting to come out already. And just look at how dirty the baking soda is getting. It's definitely working.
Okay, so after just a couple minutes of scrubbing, I went back and touched up some spots with steel wool. Check it out, the baking sheet looks so much better. If you want more cleaning hacks and dramatic before and afters, be sure to click subscribe so you won't miss an episode.